Guess what my family got me? Just guess. A fucking camera. A vlogging camera. And you know what? This isn't the first time they actually went and bought me something. I used to vlog so much more often before, years ago. And honestly, it died on me. And it would have cost us way more to repair it than to just get a new one. And that was like years ago, and I kind of gave up on that dream. That's why I haven't posted in like years. My sister, she has another version of this, but they got me the Insta360 GO Ultra, and it's freaking amazing. I have been seeing it all over my For You page, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff, even a little bit on YouTube and YouTube Shorts. But it's kind of crazy that I have it, and I'm gonna show you guys. Before I start though, I want to say that I had a technical difficulty that I was dealing with for hours, and then I realized that there was an issue with the firmware, and I think I'm gonna make a separate video on that just because I wanted to dedicate it to that. Maybe I'll just do an Instagram reel or a TikTok. I don't want to add it here and people have to go through all this BS just to figure out what's wrong with their camera, you know? Look at how crazy this is. I'm so used to just looking at the screen of my phone that I have to remind myself that I have to be looking here. This is what it looks like. This is how it sounds like. I had to play around with the settings last night just because one, it wasn't charged, and two, because of the issue. It came with accessories, a charging cable, and two POV accessories. One is for caps, but I don't wear caps enough, so I have to figure out a way to use that. And then I might try the chest POV one. And also the camera itself can get taken out from the pod. I will show you guys later, because the pod itself is water resistant, but the camera itself is waterproof. I'm not gonna wet it. I'll just figure that out later. I'll see that as I go, but I'm gonna try the chest POV and the magnet, like how stable it is, okay? I find it so interesting because I'm only holding the camera and I have the pod. Like, I can see myself. Like, that's pretty freaking cool. I don't know what else is magnetic in my room. Maybe this? This gives me more freedom and creative inspo when it comes to things I would like to post. Maybe now that I have this, I would probably do more fashion videos. I don't know, like this is a pretty cool POV and it's inspiring me a lot. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna try the chest. So, is this too close? I don't know. I put it on. It can be adjusted, but this is my POV. I feel like this is good for people who want to do vlogs, like POV vlogs or running videos. I will make use of this. I really like this. I love this. A lot of people look into this Ultra or the Digi Nano or whatever. I don't have the Nano money. I don't have that Digi Nano money. Like, even though my family's the one who got me this, I wouldn't have wanted them to spend so much money either. So I'm glad that they got me this. Shout out! Now you're gonna start seeing this quality of video and audio. And this is also good for shy people, I feel, especially since it's so tiny. And like, it can be attached anywhere. I would attach it when I'm going to the gym, because I am planning to go back to the gym. I feel like this is gonna be an amazing journey.